In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for YouTube thumbnails. I've personally used Canva to create hundreds of thumbnails for my YouTube videos. And it is the best tool to make beautiful thumbnails for your videos, and it's also one of the easiest to use. So what you want to do is, of course, first create your Canva account and log into the website. Then what you want to do is click on create a design in the top right. Then here search up YouTube, then it will take the right pixels. So then it will open your untitled design right here. Now here under the design tab you can see templates. Now right here you have a bunch of templates that you can use. So you can also choose, for example, if you are creating a thumbnail for a vlog, you can click on vlog. And then it will show you some thumbnails for a vlog. Now if you are doing, for example, gaming videos, then you have a bunch of templates for gaming thumbnails right here. Search up whatever describes your video best. So for example, I'll do finance. And then here you have a bunch of thumbnails having to do with finance. So find one that you like. As you can see, these ones right here have a little crown on them. That means that you need Pro version to use this. So find one that does not have that if you don't have the Pro version. So let's say you like this thumbnail right here. Now it has some things that you probably want to change. So for example, in the thumbnail you don't need to add this. So you probably also want to add in your own picture. So just go ahead and upload your own picture right here under uploads. Let's say that this is you. Then what you can do is drag yourself over this picture right here. But as you can see, it's a bit zoomed in right now and I don't really like that. So go ahead and remove the old one and then drag yourself in here. And now, as you can see, you have yourself in the thumbnail. But we want to be able to see the coins that were here. So go to position and place yourself beneath these coins right here. So now you have replaced yourself into this picture. Now for the text right here, you also want to change it to something else. Let's say best way, then extend this a little bit and move it a bit over to the left. So now you have the best way to create videos on YouTube. Now you can also change the background if you want, for example, just to a plain white color like this, or even a different color. This doesn't look good, so I'll just change it back. So then once you're happy with it, you can click on share and download. Now I'll show some designs that I have made, for example, for the thumbnail of this video right here. So right here I have all of my thumbnails. Let's scroll to the bottom a bit. And now here you can see all of the thumbnails that I have previously made. Now let's actually design the thumbnail for this video that you are watching right now. So this video is about Canva. So what I will do is go to Canva logo and then, for example, download this one. Then I'm going to drag it into my uploads right here and then remove the ClickUp logo and then drag in my Canva logo right here. Okay, so now I have this Canva logo. And this video is about how to use Canva for YouTube thumbnails. So I want these 3 layers right here, so I will copy these. Then I will remove this and then add in that right here. So as you can see, this one needs to go a bit up, and then let's write how to use Canva for, then here write YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so as you can see, this one doesn't fit in the thumbnail right now. So we want to make this a lot smaller, something like this. Then let's also make these a little bit smaller so that they are all kind of the same size. And then let's line them up like this. So now we have this thumbnail right here. Now let's change the text of this color, for example. So select the text that you want to change the color of, then click right here. And for example, if you want it to be red, choose red. Or you can also pick a different color, of course. So maybe you want it to be green or light blue, looks kind of good. So for example, this can be your thumbnail. Now as you can see, you can also add different pictures in here for something like this. And you can just do a bunch of creative stuff in here. Then you can also, of course, create a new design with a different template in here. So for example, add as new page, Money making tips for 2023. Now this picture right here, as you can see, has a watermark, so go ahead and remove that and add in your own picture, for example right here. So now you have already customized this design a little bit. Now of course you can change it even more. So the steps are just pick a template that you like, customize it to your liking, add in your own pictures, your own text and everything you need. Then click on share, download, select the page you are currently working on, then click on download. Now let's wait a second, and now when we open it, right here you can see the thumbnail that we just created. So that's how you can use Canva for YouTube thumbnails.